You have a lot of important decisions to make during open enrollment. One of these decisions might be whether or not you should participate in a flexible spending account, or FSA. If you're not familiar with this benefit, you might not be tempted to take advantage of it, but you'd be missing out on big savings. A health FSA lets you contribute money from each paycheck pre-tax into an account that can be used to pay for qualified, out-of-pocket medical, dental, and vision expenses throughout the year. By contributing pre-tax dollars to your FSA, you lower your taxable income. In other words, you pay fewer taxes and take home more money. If you're already participating in a health savings account, or HSA, you won't be able to contribute to a full health FSA at the same time, but you can enroll in a limited health FSA to save on qualified dental, vision, and preventative care expenses. A dependent care FSA is another great way to save. This account also lets you set aside pre-tax dollars, but these funds are used to pay for daycare expenses for children under the age of 13 or care for a disabled spouse or dependent. Ready to enroll? There are just a few key things that you should know to make sure you're getting the most out of your FSA. First, money contributed to an FSA is use it or lose it, meaning any funds left in the account at the end of the plan year are forfeited, unless your employer's plan offers a grace period or carryover. So it's important to carefully estimate the amount you think you'll spend annually on out-of-pocket medical expenses before you elect. That's why Discovery Benefits offers a variety of tools, including an FSA calculator, to help you make the best decisions about how much to set aside. Once you have funds set aside in your FSA, using them is easy. You can simply swipe your benefits debit card if you have one, or you can pay for an expense out of pocket and request reimbursement from your FSA later via check or direct deposit. Just remember that some FSA transactions need to be substantiated. In other words, you need to show that what you paid for was an FSA-eligible expense by submitting documentation. If it's a recurring expense or a copay expense that matches your employer's plan, you'll be able to skip this step. But for everything else, you can easily submit substantiation through your online account, via fax, or by using the Discovery Benefits mobile app. The app is completely free to download and offers an easy and convenient way to manage your benefits on the go. An FSA is a great way to save your hard-earned dollars, and with the tools Discovery Benefits offers, it's easy too.